So good morning students, welcome all of you in second lecture of chapter number 14. So yesterday we discussed about what is the meaning of statistics, then primary data and secondary data, then two questions were there in first exercise. So first exercise we completed yesterday, today we will start with the second exercise. In this second exercise we will study frequency distribution table and group frequency distribution table. So today we will discuss frequency distribution table. Frequency means value is occurring how many times. Like if you take the example of this question number first, the blood group of 30 students of class 8 are given. Represent this data in form of frequency distribution table. First we will read the question up to this point. Then after completing the table we will read this last line. So for frequency distribution table, we will make a table with three columns. First column is of blood group. Second, because here blood group of different students are given. Second and third column are common in all the questions of frequency distribution table. Second column is of telemarks and third is of frequency. So if we see here, then we are having four type of blood group. A, B, O and AB. So we will write here A, B, O and AB. Then we will write total. Now we will count how many A are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we will write here 9. Then we will count how many blood group of B are here. After counting we can see that 6 blood group of B type are there. Then for O we are having 12 students. For AB we are having the 3 students, and if I add all this, then total number of students are 30. Now this tally marks also you study in 8th class. This represent 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 4, 5. I will cut this. This line represent 5th one. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. This 9 represent by tally marks like this. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 and 6. For 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11 and 12. 3, 1, 2, 3. So this type of table generally come in the exam of 2 marks. Very important question. We are having only 3 questions of this frequency distribution table in our second exercise. Other question are of group frequency distribution table. Now we will read this last line. Which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students? If I see, then this is the maximum value. This maximum value represents the O blood group. So common blood group is O. This value is list here and it represents the AB blood group. So rarest blood group is AB. Now after this we will study question number 6, then 7. So question number 6. This is the common question number 6. 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of head occurring was noted down as follows. Prepare a frequency distribution table for the given data. So again we will make 3 columns. First column represent number of heads. Second and third column are same, just like question number 1, tally marks and frequency. So if I read here, then list value is 0 and highest value is 3. So I will write here 0, 1, 2, 3. If I count 0 here, then I will get 6, 0. If I count 1 here, then 10 times 1, 2, 9 times and 3, 5 times. Total is 30. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now question complete. Very easy question of this type, frequency distribution table. Now we will see question number 7. The value of pi up to 50 places is given below. These values are given up to 50 decimal places. First part, make a frequency distribution of the digit from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. So first part, frequency distribution table. Here we will write digits, here tally marks and frequency. So we have to make table with values 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9 we will write. Then we will count 0. These are 2 times, 1, 5, 2, 5 times, 3, 8 times. When we count 3, then we will not count this 3. Before point I will not count, because he is saying that make frequency distribution of the digit after decimal point. So 3 I will count here. I will left this 3. So you will get 8 times. Then 4, 4 times, 5, 5 times, 6, 4 times, 7, 4 times, 8, 5 times, 9, 8 times. So if I add all this, I will get 50, and then we will write the tally marks. Now we will see second part. This is second part. What are the most and least frequently occurring digits? So if I check here maximum value, then maximum value is of 3 and 9. So most frequently occurring digit are 3 and 9. So if I see here which is value is minimum comes in this data, then this value is 2 and it represents the digit 0. So least occurring digit is 0. So only these three questions we are having in second exercise of frequency distribution table. All other questions are of group frequency distribution table type. So tomorrow we will discuss question number second